Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the difference between WordPress and web development. So basically people that are asking this question have a little bit knowledge about these things. That's why they're asking it from that angle, because web development is a general term in a general context. WordPress can also be classified under. But I know what you guys are asking. You're basically talking about the difference between a WordPress website and a website that you build from scratch. Basically, that's what the intent of your keyword is, or your search query is rather. So like I said in the last video that talks about something like this, is almost the difference is just the flexibility is and the time frame that you have. With WordPress, you can just boom, under 24 hours, you have a full functional website up and running, any type of website. Whereas if you're doing web development, you're building from scratch, you're going to take time, months, and you need to know a particular programming language to use and build this, and it's going to take you sometimes months before that website comes out. And you must have that knowledge to be able to keep working on that site, keep functioning, and keep editing and adding feature is a whole lot of work, and it's going to require a lot. So let's check difference between WordPress and web development. Web development offers more control, customization, and potentially better performance than WordPress, but requires significant coding knowledge and resources. The choice depends on your needs, budget, and technical skills. WordPress is more accessible for non-developers and is suitable for a wide range of websites. So, guys, that choice is yours to choose between WordPress and web development, or web development of a site from scratch. So that'll be all for now in this video. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.